The Siddaramaiah-led Congress government in Karnataka has introduced the Karnataka Hate Speech and Hate Crimes Prevention Bill 2025, claiming it will protect peace, harmony and equality in society. But behind this seemingly noble intention lies a dangerous threat to democracy, freedom of speech and constitutional values. At first glance, the bill appears to curb hate and violence. However, closer reading reveals vague and unclear definitions of what constitutes hate speech and hate crime. Terms like emotional harm, fear among communities, and statements likely to cause unrest are highly subjective and open to misuse. Under this bill, criticism of the government, discussion of historical facts, religious or cultural debates, or even quoting controversial lines from scriptures could be labeled as hate speech. This gives unchecked power to authorities to decide what is acceptable speech and what is not, effectively handing the ruling government a free license to silence opposition's voices. The danger does not stop with politicians or activists. A common citizen, a farmer, student, teacher, homemaker or employee could face arrest simply for forwarding a WhatsApp message or posting an opinion on social media. This creates a culture of fear where people begin to self-censor to avoid legal trouble. Even more alarming are the sweeping powers given to the police. The right to register cases on their own, detain individuals without clear justification, conduct extended investigations and take action without prior court approval. These are classic signs of a state moving forward, a police control system, not a democratic one. Press freedom is another major casualty. Journalists may hesitate to question government failures or expose corruption, fearing legal action. Independent journalism could slowly be silenced, and social media, the voice of the common citizen, could be pushed into darkness. This bill directly clashes with Article 19(1)(a) of the Indian Constitution, which guarantees freedom of speech and expression. Moreover, many provisions already exist under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, formerly IPC. Introducing an overlapping and harsher state law undermines federalism and constitutional balance. The comparison to the emergency of 1975 to 77 cannot be ignored. Back then, democracy was suspended openly. Today, critics argue an undeclared emergency is being imposed quietly through legislation. If this law is allowed to stand, it could become a model for other states, spreading this dangerous mindset across the country. Preventing hatred requires better enforcement of existing laws, education, dialogue and institutional reform, not fear-driven legal weapons. This is not just a bill, it's a test of Karnataka's democracy. And if not challenged today, tomorrow even speaking the truth could become a crime.